Brush your teeth when morning wakes. Start the day with no mistakes. Shiny smile, a sparkling start. Healthy habits warm the heart. Say please and thank you, let it flow.
Did you enjoy that fun and catchy music video for kids? Guess what? I made the whole thing using free AI tools. And the best part? The music was created in under 2 minutes using a tool called Musick AI. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same, step by step, even if you've never made music or edited a video before. Right now, animated music videos for kids are one of the fastest growing trends on YouTube. Kids love to watch them. Parents love that they're educational, and because children learn through repetition, they'll watch your video again and again. That means lots of views and a great chance to grow your channel. And here's the cool part. You don't need to show your face or even record your voice. Just take a look at Little Baby Bum. They've built a huge channel around animated nursery rhymes with over 41 million subscribers and billions of views. They make millions every month, all by creating simple, smart videos for kids. So today, I'll show you how to make your own animated kids songs using Musick AI, Leonardo AI, and CapCut. All free, all beginner-friendly. Step 1. Come up with an idea first. You need a good idea for a nursery rhyme. If you're stuck, go to ChatGPT and ask, "Give me 10 fun and educational nursery rhyme ideas for kids." Pick one that stands out to you. Let's say we choose number 11, a rhyme about good habits, like brushing teeth and washing hands. This is the kind of content that parents really appreciate, and kids will happily watch over and over again. Step 2. Create the music. Now it's time to bring your lyrics to life with music. We'll use Musick AI, a fast, easy tool that lets you make music in seconds. Musick AI is amazing. It understands all kinds of music styles, like pop, hip-hop, reggae, K-pop, and makes real high-quality songs. When you open the site, sign up for a free account. You'll get 90 free songs to start with. Paste in your lyrics, choose a female or male voice, pick a style, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your song is ready. You'll get 2 versions. Listen to both and pick the one you like best. I liked version 1, so I downloaded that. Want more song credits? Click the My Invite tab and share with friends to earn extra generations for free. Step 3. Create images for your video next. We'll make colorful visuals to match your song. We'll use Leonardo AI to create fun, kid-friendly images. First, ask ChatGPT to help you write detailed prompts for each part of your song, including the chorus. Then go to Leonardo AI link is in the description. Sign up and you'll get 150 free tokens every day. Click on Image, paste your prompt, and select these settings. Phoenix 1:03D render style aspect ratio, 16:9 click Generate, and your image will be ready in seconds. Download the one you like best and repeat this for each scene in your song. Step 4. Animate your images. Let's turn those pictures into animations using Halo AI. Go to the site, sign up, and get 100 free coins per day. Click Create, upload your image, and add a short description. Click Generate, and boom! Your image is animated. Do this for every scene. Download all your animated clips so we can put them together. Step 5. Edit everything in CapCut. Now we'll bring the music and visuals together in CapCut, a free video editing app that's super easy to use. Open CapCut and start a new project. Import your animated clips and the song you created earlier. Drag your clips into the timeline and match them with the lyrics. To make things even better, use auto captions to add lyrics on screen. Select a clip. Click on Text. Choose Auto Captions, then select Convert from Audio Add. Some transitions, fun effects, or stickers if you'd like. Make sure everything flows well. Then click Export and choose 4K for the best video quality. And that's it. You've just created your very own animated children's music video using only free tools. Now upload it to YouTube, share it with your friends, or even start building your own educational kids channel. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what kind of video you'll make next.